How loud is an air fryer? So how much noise does an air fryer make? I want to compare this with a extractor hood that I have here. I put this on the first setting, so it's like the lowest setting. Let's listen to it. Around 55 decibels of noise. Let's turn it up a little bit more. This is the second function of the extractor hood. It's around 58. And then the highest setting is around 62. Now let's compare this with an air fryer. I'm using the same distance, so let's turn on the air fryer. So it is around 52, 53 decibels. If I open it, it's around 58. But it's around 52 decibels. So this means it's pretty much the same amount of noise when I put on the extractor hood on the first setting. What you hear inside of the air fryer is the fan that's spinning around. That makes sure that the airflow inside of the air fryer is doing its thing. And that makes around 52 to 55 decibels of noise, which is pretty okay. It's not that you don't hear it. If you have an open kitchen like I have here, then of course you will hear it, but you can still talk with people, but you have to maybe raise your voice a little bit. But yeah, it's comparable when you're just cooking with your extractor hood on. It's pretty much the same noise. So hopefully that's helpful for you to understand a little bit how much noise an air fryer makes. The noise also depends on the type of air fryer. I'm also having a Ninja air fryer here, for instance. This air fryer has 2 compartments, and you can decide if you only want to use 1 compartment or when you want to use 2 compartments. With 2 compartments, this machine will be louder than when you use only 1 compartment, because this machine has 2 fans. So let's turn on one basket first. Around 47, 48. Now turn on the second one, second basket. So now there are 2 fans spinning. It's around 50, 51. So conclusion is between 50 to 55 decibels. That's the amount of noise an air fryer makes when it's in use. If you like this video or find this video useful, leave a like. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks about air fryers. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.